So today I just wanted to talk to you guys, and I didn't know what I should shoot this time. It's just that I wanted to talk. So I thought let's come up with Know Me More tag. So I have a few questions with me that I've written on this piece of paper. So I'm going to be answering those questions so that you can know me better. So let's start, and I hope you like this video. Okay, so the very first question is, what's a nickname only your family calls you? Now, my full name is Rupreet Kaur. I'm a Sardarni. So my full name is Rupreet Kaur, and it's Rupreet. I made it short to Reet because a lot of people, they cannot pronounce it like really well. Either they make it Gurpreet, Manpreet, or whatever. So I made it to Reet, and my parents and my close friends and everybody, they call me Rupu, Rupu. So that's one thing. What's a weird habit of yours? My weird habit, yes, I sleep with lot of pillows, like lot of pillows, lot of. You give me 3, 4, 5, 6, I'll arrange in a manner and I'll sleep like a baby. That's how I am. So that's first weird habit. The second weird habit would be eating lips and the flesh that's like here inside. I know it sucks. I know. I just can't get over it. If you have any idea how I should, if you have any idea how can I overcome this weird habit, then please let me know. I really hate this thing about me, and I'm always like, and those who are close to me, they like really want me to get rid of this thing. So please help me. So that's two weird habit of mine. Do you have any weird phobia? I don't really have any phobia. I'm not scared of anything, to be very honest. But yes, I have this weird phobia of bees. I love animals, but I hate insects. I mean, I don't hate them, I won't kill them, but I just don't want them near me. That's me. So I don't like insects, the weird looking insects, and I hate bees. I'm like, I don't want to kill them again, but even if they're near me, I'll just scream like I've got I don't know, but I just can't resist. I just can't stand in front of bees and the weird insects. One habit of mine when I am nervous. When I'm nervous, I tend to use my phone a lot. Even if I'm in a party where I'm alone, I'll use my phone. I won't do anything. I'll screen like unlock किया, Facebook चले गए, Instagram बंद किया. Then I'm like कुछ नहीं है, वापस phone खोला. So that's a weird nervous habit. What's your first stuffed toy? What was your first stuffed toy? I got one, this huge, what do you call it, doll. So I was really close to that stuffed toy. And what my brothers did, you will know it. On Diwali, my brothers, they literally filled that, toy. They literally, tear the clothes of my Barbie, like the huge doll. And they filled it with the gola bum and anar and other stuff. Ladi se usko pura lapet diya. And then जला दिया उसको, गंदे तरीके से जला दिया. And then they took me to the terrace and they said, ये देख तेरी doll, ये देख तेरी doll. And I couldn't get over that thing for a good 3-4 days, and I cried a lot. So your favorite comfort food? That's bad for you, but you love to eat it anyways. All the bad stuff, like all the junk food. I love pizza, I love French fries, I love burgers, I love everything, like everything. I just wish that there was I just wish that there was no such thing like getting fat or calories. Then I would eat like 24 hours a day. I would be eating. I love food that much. Okay, what phrase or exclamation I always say? That will be bhais ki aankh. That's me. Always bhais ki aankh. What song you secretly love to blast on when you are alone? I really love that song from Katy Perry, which is The Teenage Dream. I love that song, and the lyrics are not so, good. But yes, I love that song, so I hear it whenever I'm alone. I love to listen to that song. And what's the beauty rule you preach but you never actually practice? I really, when you go through the YouTube videos of the girls, even the Indian or whatever, they will show you their skincare routine. I don't have any skincare, a particular hair care or any routine. I really, want to get into that mode. I don't know whether they have it or they just, show this. I really don't know, but I would really like to use a moisturizer every other day after my shower, which I never do. Do you take shampoo and conditioner bottles from hotels? I won't lie, and yes, I do take. That's because I've paid for that hotel. Even if I've not paid, I'm there. Once again, I'm there like for my work and my company is paying me or anything. I would still take that because that's like really helpful. I think you should have shampoo and conditioners in your bag, and for that you have to take it from your hotel. So that's one tip. You should do it. What's your biggest pet peeve? I really hate people when they smell bad with the bad breath and with very odor. Like, I don't know how to express my feelings, because if you're a person who's not smelling good or who doesn't smell good, this is from me. I hate such people. I love people who smell good. That's a big turn on for me. Which movie I can watch over and over again? I'm not really fan of Bollywood movies, I would say, but yes, I really like that movie, which is Miracles from Heaven. I love that movie and I've cried a lot watching that movie. I love that movie. It's amazing. You should watch it. Okay, so whether I'm a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. Now, I was a non-vegetarian like since birth, I would say, because my whole family, they eat non-vegetarian food. So I was that, but it's been 2 years now that I'm a vegetarian, and I'm a strict vegetarian. I don't eat eggs, I don't eat chicken or any other stuff. So that's just me. And that would clearly go because of the love for animals. Now, I really thought that, I feed dogs and I take care of animals and I do this and that. I treat them, I do rescues and stuff. So there is no point of eating other animal when I'm doing good for the one and I'm eating the other form of an animal. So I thought that it's not really doing justice or to what I do. So I left everything, and it's been 2 years and I am happy. About me would be that I love eating. Of course, I love eating, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking about my skin. How I have clear and glowy skin? Of course, genetics. I mean, this is genetical, also, but also because of your eating habits. So I'm gonna be coming up with another video how to get glowy skin like this, glowy clear skin. So I'm gonna be coming up with that. But yes, I love eating ghar ka khana also. I love sitafal, which is pumpkin. I love kathal, which is jackfruit. I love all the weird sabjis that a normal youngster or a normal person would hate. I love that. So I'm weird. How many pets I have? I had 2 pets. The first dog that I got into my life was when I was in 8th standard. So that's like 13 years ago, I guess. 13 years ago. 12 years ago, you can say. So that was our first dog, and he just got expired this October on Karwa Chauth, which was on 19th of October. He left actually. So I have one dog now, and that's Jerry. I rescued him, and he has a very wonderful story. If you would like to know that story, please comment down below, and I have already planned that. I'm going to share his story, how I got him and from where I got him and in which condition I got him. So that's about it. Hey Jerry! Hey! Why are you scared? He just wants to go outside. Hey look! Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Would you? He's my love. He is such an intelligent and he's an actor. He's really an actor. I love you. Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? You don't love me. You love me. He loves me a lot. He cannot live without me. That's a sure thing. And he loves me. He loves me. He loves me. So that's all for the video, and I hope you all liked this video. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I just wanted to have a talking session, so that's about it. And thanks a lot for watching my channel. Bye guys. We hope to see you in the next video.